Oh, you found a binky? Okay. Hi. Hi. Evelyn, do you love Mommy? If you love Mommy, give Mama a hug. Can you give me a hug? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. If you love Mom, will you give Mama a kiss? Okay. I'm going over there now to play with the swing. Yeah, let's see. I think I'll just do some dishes here. I think I'll just put some dishes in the dishwasher here. Hi, Evelyn. Are you going to help me? Okay, you can help Mommy, okay? What are you doing? Are you helping Mommy with the dishwasher? Oh, I see. Did you bump your head? Whoa. Okay, I think we're all done now. Let's close it. Okay, we're gonna close it now, okay? Watch out. You help Mommy close it? Say, okay, Mom. Okay, close it for Mommy. Oh, okay, we're all done. Let's close it. Watch out. Okay. Boop. There we go. Now it's all gone. Say bye-bye, dishwasher. Oh, I wish I could have an Evelyn hug. Aww. Can you give Mama a hug? Yeah. That's so nice. That's so nice. Okay. Yeah? Oh, can you say Mama? Oh, you love Mommy. That's so nice. Help! Oh, I got an Evelyn hug. I got an Evelyn hug. Mwah. Can I have an Evelyn kiss? Mwah. Mwah.